Alpine skier Faiq Abdi is the first ever athlete in Saudi Arabia and Gulf countries to qualify to take part in the Olympic Winter Games. After completing his competition and returning to the kingdom on February 16th, Abdi spoke highly of the Beijing Olympic Winter Games and hoped that China and Saudi Arabia would carry out winter sports cooperation in the future.
I think it's very unique that Beijing has hosted a Summer Olympics and a Winter Olympics. I think having the Winter Olympics in China will help promote the sport in China and in Asia. And they have a great facility now in Yanqing for alpine skiing. The way the pandemic was handled in Beijing was really impressive. They were very strict from when we got there to when we left. And to be honest, that was in our best interest. No coach or athlete wanted to catch the pandemic. The measures they took to keep us safe was great for us. I think what's significant about the Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics is that the games didn't have to be postponed, unlike the Tokyo Games. So the fact that they were able to hold the event on time and not postpone anything was really a sign of how well they're handling the pandemic. We were staying at the Yanqing village, and from when we arrived to when we left, we found no challenges or difficulties living in the village and even getting to training. I think everything was thought out in a good manner, and they made it easy for the athletes to get around, to be comfortable. So it was a great experience for us, and it was a good impression since it was our first time in China. I hope that Saudi Arabia and China can be good partners in the sports industry to help promote all sports. Hopefully we'll see Chinese skiers and Saudi skiers promoting the sport and making it more prominent in their countries. I hope that athletes in China and Saudi keep inspiring their countries to do what they love and to find their passion.